Those 8 NASA payloads are nice and snug in the crew capsule right now, ready for their launch to space. And while we're mentioning NASA and their payloads, we actually have a very special message from the head of NASA, Administrator Jim Bridenstine.
At NASA, technology drives exploration. Testing technologies in suborbital space with the help of commercial companies is an important step to advancing them for missions at the Moon and at Mars. Today, Blue Origin will launch its New Shepard rocket carrying about 10 payloads from NASA and a small sampling of our many partners in industry and academia. These NASA-supported experiments will help advance in-space propulsion technologies, habitation systems, science instruments, and other capabilities crucial for exploration. Like the researchers, I'm excited to learn the results from this very important flight. NASA values the partnerships with our flight opportunities providers, and we really wish Blue Origin a successful launch.
We are go!
All right, everybody, thank you again for joining us live for New Shepard's 10th mission to space. We're at T-minus 2 minutes to go until launch. You can feel the excitement down here. At this point, this is when we throw the show over to the rocket. She is completely autonomous from this moment through flight. And as a reminder, we're flying a nominal flight profile today. The rocket and the capsule, they're going to go up to 75 kilometers, 250,000 feet. The capsule separates, continues its flight up towards apogee over the Kármán line, the internationally recognized line of space. The capsule will come down under 3 parachutes and that nice air cushion of the retro thrust system. And then we are looking for our 9th landing in a row from the booster at only 1,200 feet above ground, 1,200 meters or 3,600 feet above ground level. The BE-3 engine is going to relight for a nice soft landing. All right, at this point, the rocket is going to be going through its built-in tests. We're going to see, there you go, the aft fins moving, making sure it has free range of motion. Shortly here, we're going to see the BE-3 engine gimbal. And while the rocket is doing this all on her own, our engineers in the Mission Control Center have their eyes on the screens. We, again, want to make sure that the propellants are properly pressurized as well as in the temperature bounds. A lot easier to do during a cold morning like this in January. All right, we're T-minus 30 seconds to go. It is game time, New Shepard. Godspeed.
T-minus 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4. Command engine start. 2, 1.